Imagine waking up in a home that seamlessly blends style, functionality, and the charm of minimalistic living. This stunning tiny home is not just a downsized space, it's a masterpiece of design and efficiency. From the moment you step outside, you're welcomed by a beautifully designed outdoor seating area. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or enjoying a starlit evening, this space offers the perfect retreat to unwind and reconnect with nature. As you step inside, the open-concept living area immediately captivates you. Natural light floods through large windows, creating a bright and airy ambience. The carefully selected furnishings maximize space without sacrificing comfort. Every inch of this room is thoughtfully utilized, making it the ideal spot to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the cozy atmosphere. Moving into the kitchen, you're met with a sleek and modern setup that proves small spaces can still be highly functional. With ample counter space, high-end appliances, and smart storage solutions, cooking here is a delightful experience. The well-placed shelving and cabinetry ensure everything has its place, keeping the kitchen clutter-free and organized. The bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort and tranquility. The clever use of space allows for a cozy yet spacious sleeping area, offering a perfect balance between privacy and openness. Thoughtfully integrated storage solutions help maintain a minimalist aesthetic while keeping all essentials within reach. The bathroom is nothing short of impressive. With a sleek vanity, a spacious shower, and high-quality finishes, it feels more like a luxury retreat than a tiny home necessity. Smart design elements ensure that even in a compact space, functionality and comfort are never compromised. This tiny home is a true testament to how thoughtful design can create a space that is not just livable but truly remarkable. It redefines the idea of minimal living, proving that less really can be more. Could this be your dream tiny home? If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stunning tiny home designs. Let us know what you think about this beautiful space in the comments below.